Let me ask you something. Have you ever opened Instagram and instantly felt like you were falling behind? Maybe it was someone your age buying their first house, someone vacationing on an island you cannot afford, or someone posting that glow up while you still feel stuck. Then the quiet voice comes in whispering, "Why am I not there yet?" Let's be honest. Comparing yourself to others is the fastest way to feel like you're losing, even when you're not. And the worst part is, you don't even realize you're doing it until you feel empty. Here's the thing about life: what you see online or even in real life is never the full story. We compare our behind the scenes to someone else's highlight reel. I knew someone, let's call her Maya. From the outside, Maya had it all: a dream job, a perfect relationship, thousands of followers. But what no one saw, she was battling burnout, silently struggling in therapy, and questioning everything she knew. Her life looked amazing, but it felt horrible. That's what comparison misses: context. You only look at the good, but not the bad that comes with it. The thing is, when you compare, you stop moving, you stop creating, you stop trying. Take Dave. He was learning to code, he was improving every day until he watched a 20-year-old developer build an app in 3 weeks. Suddenly he felt dumb. He quit. But here's the truth: that 20-year-old, he's been coding since he was 12. Comparison made Dave forget how far he had come, and this happens all the time. You go to the gym for 3 weeks, see someone shredded on TikTok, and give up. You start a YouTube channel, but someone gets 10k views, you only get one. Then you stop. Not because you can't, but because you told yourself someone else is already better. You're not supposed to be on the same timeline as anyone else. We all start from different places, we all carry different weights. One person's chapter 20 isn't better than your chapter 2, it is just different. Some people peak at 20, others at 40. There are artists who didn't sell a painting until they were 60. Morgan Freeman got his big break after 50 years. You're not late, you're just on your own journey. So, how do you stop comparing? You create distance from the things that feed the comparison trap. Here are a few things that can actually help. Number one is unfollow or mute people who trigger your insecurities. Not because they are bad people, but because your peace matters more than their vacation pictures. Second, start a daily win list. At the end of each day, write down 3 things you did well. Even if it's "I drank more water" or "I didn't quit today." Your mind starts to notice you are growing. The third thing is limit your screen time. The less you scroll, the less you compare. Simple as that. Now, the fourth is look backwards, not sideways. Compare yourself to the you from 3 months ago, because that's the only progress that actually matters. Okay, let me leave you with this. A guy I knew, let's call him Eli, was obsessed with being successful. He would scroll for hours every night, watching people talk about making millions. He started 6 businesses, then quit them all, not because he didn't care, but because nothing ever felt like it was enough. One day he told me, "I finally realized I don't even know what success means to me. I was just chasing what other people had." Then it hit me. Most of us don't hate our lives. We just get distracted by someone else's. If you're tired of feeling behind, if you feel like you're not doing enough, please remember, you're not in a race. You're in a journey, and it's your own. And most people who live peaceful lives, they don't look left or right. They just keep on walking forward. So stop comparing and become who you want to be. If this helped you, share it with someone who needs to hear it. And remember, the only person you need to be better than is who you were yesterday.